How we can put conditioning formatting. If I want to highlight my holiday, go to conditions and go to the fifth rules or equal, select the name of the day, then put and remove the first one dollars and then equal and then write the name of holiday. Fridays is my holiday, so I converted data and run fry, go to format and then use this fill whatever color you want to highlight in your holiday. So I use this red color and I make it okay and I put here okay also. Then I will be go format printer and I will be make copy of all of this. And you see this is he highlighted my holidays. So this is the way we can be use this conditioning formatting to highlight our specials day or conditioning days. So this is very. If I want to restrict the value to write in the cell, I can use data validation for this purpose. So go to data and go to data validation. Here we will be use go to data validation, then go to the custom, then use here formula equal and write the name of the cell and then greater than hai or less than hai is equal in the interrogated. For example, Friday is my holiday, so I not want to write here anything. I will write here just Friday and inverted commas. Then go to the this here you can write in title invalid whatever message you want to show. If they by mistakenly write in this cell, Friday is off day, so I write here and then okay, then make this as copy this and you see here whatever we have we will delete this all of these things. Then if you write here anything, he will be not right. See this messages come. So this is data validation. We can restrict our value by